This video will explain how the communication with a procuring entity works. So in your sub-report account, you will go to Communication, Bidding Communication. Then you will select the project with a double click. And then, whether you have already some in the inbox, which means they're all the questions which have been already asked by other bidders. And every question you will ask will be also displayed to everybody else, but of course anonymously. So everybody will have the same status of information. And in order to receive you don't need to check your inbox every day, but you will receive automatically an email where you can click on the link, for example, or you just go into bidding communications and there you will find the collection of all the Q&As. If you have a question, then you go to a new message and then you will type here your text. And this is just an example email. And you can also attach here a file, and then you just click on send message. And then we will evaluate the question and in due time answer them. And as I mentioned before, then later you will find them in your inbox and you will automatically receive a message.